Shrapnel here. I'm doing an unboxing video of my recent purchase from BUDK. I know, BUDK, they're kind of shit. But, I didn't get any blades. At least, I don't think I did. I don't remember what I ordered, really. So, the package is already open because I thought it was something else. I thought it was my new taillight covers, but hey, whatever. So, let's crack this puppy open. Invoice, catalog, okay. Paper. Alright, so a stove for a canteen. Nice. It's lightweight, which is cool. The lid to a canteen. Work gloves. They're the M48 work gloves. A small folding saw. A plastic trowel. Cool. Water treatment drops. 9-hour candles. A canteen. And a canteen cup. And that's it. So this was stuff to boost my survival kit a lot more than what it currently is. Mainly, I had no way of carrying or storing water, and now I do. Not quite a perfect fit, but I don't care. Go. I'll probably just store these in there. Does that make sense? And open the lid. Cool. And then I have like a little eating utensil that I can throw in there as well. Let's see if these gloves fit me. They're a size large. I normally buy size large gloves, but yeah, not quite what I was expecting. Then again, I only paid, what, $5 for these? Yeah, they fit. Not the most comfortable, but hey, you get what you pay for. And they're light, which is what I really was hoping they would be. So lightweight, so I have lightweight gloves, not so much for insulation, but for work. Oh. Okay then. $9.40 works good with these gloves, so that's saying something, I think. I could probably store something in the handle of this. Let's just relinquish this from its packaging. Let's see. So it's got a button lock. Yeah, it's better than the one on a Leatherman, just due to size alone. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. And that's really it. So yeah, take these off so that way I can work with and touch my phone. So yeah, that's just a quick unboxing of my BUDK order. Thanks for watching.